Hey guys, Italy here from British Columbia, Canada. I'm here just to share a little bit about my story and how I became part of Kevin David's 30K a month club selling on Amazon. I am so excited to be doing this video for you guys and just letting you know how amazing the course has been and how great my experience has been with Kevin David and the Ninja Group. So I launched my very first product in December of 2018. My first product, my first launch, and within 4 days of launching, I was making $1,000 a day US. So I obviously couldn't be happier. I've had such an amazing experience. But a little bit about my past was 2 years ago, I was actually a single mom on welfare, had 2 little kids in daycare almost full time, just trying to make ends meet, and had my hand in almost every new and upcoming MLM company to try and create a passive income so that I could stay home, that my kids wouldn't have to be in daycare. So in one of my nights that I was on YouTube researching working from home, I came across Kevin David's YouTube site and videos, along with some other companies that were doing how to sell on Amazon courses. And I spent quite a few months just researching all the different courses that were out there, trying to find the ones that I felt would be the best, that had the most knowledge and information. And there were a few out there that seemed really good, but at the time, $5,000 to pay for a course was absolutely insane. Was not able to do that. So I took the leap of faith and purchased Kevin David's course, and the outcome has been amazing. Each module takes you step by step of what to do, how to do it, what to expect along the way. We have some friends here who are trying to do the same thing, sell on Amazon. However, it has taken them so much longer and cost them so much more money because they don't have a step-by-step guide what really is required of you in order to be a successful seller on Amazon. I can honestly say that some of the roadblocks that I encountered, I would not have been able to overcome without the support and the love from this Ninja Group. They've held me accountable without even knowing it. They are so encouraging and send so much support and information from experienced sellers before you. So if you ever have a question, there's literally always somebody that can help you answer. Even Kevin himself has been there to answer questions, which is so valuable. If you're starting a business and you have somebody who's 2 steps ahead or 10 steps ahead, that information is really priceless. And you get that with Kevin, you get that with the Ninja Group. So obviously a huge thank you to Kevin David for creating this amazing course and helping so many people like myself become financially free. There should be a link below where you can actually go ahead and purchase the course. So go ahead and do that, and I'll see you in the Ninja Group. Bye guys.